Hi friends, welcome to the Business Studies class. Today in this module, we are going to learn about the term joint venture. When two or more independent firms together establish a new enterprise, contribute to the total equity capital and participate in its business operations. This is known as a joint venture. A joint venture is a business partnership of two or more companies for a specified purpose. A joint venture involves pooling of resources and expertise of two or more companies. The risk and rewards of the business are also shared. The firms within the country as well as firms in different countries may participate in a joint venture. There are several examples of joint ventures in India. Tata Iron and Steel Company joined hands with IPICOL, a wholly owned corporation of Government of Odisha, to promote IPITATA Sponge Iron Limited in 1984. Hero Cycles of India and Honda Motor Company of Japan established Hero Honda. A joint venture is when two or more companies perform a business project together for a set period of time. Joint venture is a win-or-win collaboration between two or more companies sharing resources to solve common problems and achieve goals. It can be called a strategic alliance or partnering as well. The different types of joint ventures are domestic joint venture and second type is international joint venture. The domestic joint venture means all partners with the same nationality. Then second one is international joint venture. The international joint venture set up by partners of the different nationalities. The important steps involved in the formation of a joint venture are: first step is planning, second one partner search, third point is feasibility study, and last one incorporation. The important merits or advantages of joint venture are greater resources and capacity, access to advanced technology, access to new market, low production cost, innovation, well-known brand name, etc. In a joint venture, the resources and the capacity of two or more firms are combined. As a result, the business can grow more quickly and efficiently. The joint venture is able to face market challenges and take advantage of new opportunities. Next point is access to advanced technology. Joint venture provides access to advanced techniques of production. Advanced technology adds to efficiency, leading to cost of reduction. Quality of products also becomes superior. Next point is access to new market. A foreign company gains access to the vast Indian market by entering into a new venture with a company in India. It can also take advantage of the well-established distribution system of local firm. Next point is low production cost. Raw materials and labors are comparatively cheap in India. Multinationals can get quality products made in India at low cost. India is therefore becoming a global source for several products and services. Next point is innovation. Foreign partners in joint venture have the ideas and technology to develop innovative products and services. They have an advantage in highly competitive and demanding markets. Last point is well-known brand names. When one party in a joint venture has established brands and goodwill, the other party gets its benefit. Money and time need not be spent on developing a brand name. The product to be launched already has a ready market waiting for it. The important limitations of joint ventures are lack of proper coordination among the partners may affect the efficient functioning of a joint venture. The next point is the difference in culture and stages of economic development of the countries to which the parties belong often create conflicts. Often there are legal restrictions on foreign investment. For instance, the Foreign Exchange Regulations Act had laid down limits of permissible foreign shareholding in the Indian companies. Problems often arise in equity participation because both the Indian partner and the foreign partner decide to have majority stake in the joint ventures. These are the important limitations of joint venture. Thank you.